I want to be useful. I want to be successful. I want to be myself. Hello guys, today I want to share with you some of my thoughts. It is a spontaneous speech. I didn't prepare for it, but I just want to share with you some of my thoughts, and maybe some years later I will rewatch this video and I'll understood that it was silly things or something like that, but now I just want to share with you some of them. So first of all, I want to be useful. I want to be useful for this world, but I don't know in which sphere I can be useful. Yes, I love sport, but my soul is very free like a bird, and I don't want to be in one place all of my life. So coaching, maybe teaching people isn't for me. So maybe through the internet it can be possible, but like a coach, don't think so. Secondly, I love learning something new. I love learning English, learning Spanish, learning something. I just love it. But my English isn't very well to teach someone, to share some good and really useful tips. So I just can share with you which ways of learning English do I use, but it isn't a professional skill. Thirdly, I love reading. I really love it, but I read very specific literature, so not all people will be interested in it. Maybe, for example, I love reading about self-development, but I don't know. I love some books, but I have no enough money to buy new books, and my eyes don't very strong to read through my iPad or telephone. The next thing I love is YouTube. Yeah, I thought about it. It is easier for me to write some essays and just to write. But I don't like Instagram. So, in Russia it is very cool when people below their pictures write long text with something helpful things, and other subscribers just read this text and say thank you, author. I love something writing. I love writing in essays, writing some tips, but it is problem for me. I don't like Instagram since it has become in my life, become an Instagram, become a great social media. I didn't love it. Just it isn't my web social media. I love YouTube. I love videos because they can share with you this atmosphere, voice of author who said. It can show you a little world of person who talking with you. and I just love YouTube. I love this art, yeah. But I tried to um, develop to improve my channel, but I have no photos. I had some photos from my some old photos which I had taken about 4 years ago. So I'm very successful that my face isn't changed and I'm still this young lady and so on, but I have no photos. I don't like to do it. I don't like to posing or just staying like this. Oh, take a photo please. No, I don't like it. I like just take my iPod, just put the button and speak with you. Just say hello, Anna is here, and today we'll talk about something. But I can't be honest with my people through their Instagram. I can't just story every time, every minute, and say, oh, now I will go to the theater, and after that I will go to the something, blah, blah, blah. I just don't like it. I was grown up in the family where parents saying that you you shouldn't share all your life with other world. It isn't right. You should have your own personal space, yeah. And when all everywhere know where are you, what are you thinking of, it's very easy to manipulate of you. And who knows who is in front of this phone, who is watching to you, who is seeing your apartment, and I don't know. It is very dangerous, I think. But when you share with people what have happened already, and you just share the good moments from your life, and it's cool that you can share something great. And also I'm a little bit afraid that all my plans will be crashed by people who said that, oh, you're nothing, or I don't afraid some hate from haters, but I haven't them. It's normal. I want to. Oh, it's 9 minute. I'm shooting. Oh my gosh. But just want to continue. I want to find my sphere, which will be my niche. When I started this channel, I thought, oh, I have some favorite bloggers which are lovely from me, by me. For example, Holy Gabriel, or for example, Vlad is Love, or Nastya Swan, or Masha List, Nastya Trepetzel, and other. And I thought, why not? All these bloggers are lifestyle bloggers. They shoot what is happening in their lives. So why don't can do it I? I have camera on my iPod. I have some thoughts in my head. I have a wish. I wish to do it. I want to do it. and I think it's the main purpose I've started. And now I'm in finding what is my niche, and in which sphere I can be useful, and which people will find me interesting person, for which people I'll be interesting. It's the main question I have now. But I don't know what to do, what to shoot, what to film. I just want to film, but I don't know what to film. And it's a little bit afraid that you are sitting in front of camera, and you have no thoughts. What can you share with world? So I think I should end this video. It was about 10 minutes honest speech with you guys. I hope I will find my niche, and it's just start of my global wish. It's just start of my way, successful way. And I don't want to be a YouTube blogger with 1 million subscribers and so on. I just want to be useful, be helpful for someone. I just want to find my people which will be interested in my art, in my actions. So that's all for today. If you are still here, I'm very glad for it. See you tomorrow, and now I'll go to edit it and to cut out all my what can I say? Goodbye. Love you.